Hey everybody, we are excited because once again we are partnering with Drury Hotels. We absolutely love this brand and we're excited, especially because this is our home Drury in Frisco, Texas. What's also cool is that Universal Kids Resort just opened up down the road, and this is a great family stay for you, and we want to show you everything this hotel has to offer. It's perfect for our family. Universal Kids Resort has just opened up 7.5 miles north of this hotel. That's why we think this is a perfect stay for you if you're checking out the resort. Let's go check out this incredible hotel and all that it has to offer.
Who else loves a window in the elevator? It's always a hit for us. Come check out this 2-queen suite we're staying in. It's got this living room area. The kids sleep in here in this fold-out couch, so they get their own space.
And they also get their own TV.
Their own TV. Yep. There's a microwave, a mini fridge. There's a coffee maker, ice bucket, lots of storage.
Hey, and look, a gift. Thank you, Drury.
Thank you, Drury. This welcome gift, some snacks and a water.
Thankful for the partnership once again. Also, they do have plugs over here, so if you do need some outlets to charge up. And once again, we love the Texas decor in these hotels in Texas.
Got some space to get some work done with lots of outlets.
There is so much space in these rooms. We absolutely love it.
And the fold-out couch makes to a nice big king-size bed. Every lamp has 2 outlets.
There you go. Standard restroom with a bathtub though, not just a shower. And then we see that they do have the body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, Nourish spa line, and regular bathroom amenities with Kleenex, extra toilet paper, towels, and
hair dryer.
Hair dryer. Yep. So pretty standard. Special bar and soap. But what we love about the Drury Hotels is this second room. And this is the 2-queen suite, as Teen said.
It's floor-to-ceiling windows.
Very bright and nice. We absolutely love this hotel. Right here with great views. We are on the 8th floor. The 9th floor has the indoor swimming pool, which we'll show you here in a little bit. But again, 2 queens. And then we do have some USB outlets on the clock here. And then, I mean, look at all of the outlets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then USB and the phone there. So.
And a full-size dresser, so lots more storage. And then there's a whole closet.
Yep. So you have a TV, so the kids could be in there watching TV. Parents could be in here watching TV as well. So, thermostat over here on the wall. And again, we are absolutely obsessed with these 2-room suites. It's perfect for our whole family. Closet.
Lots of space in the closet with your ironing board.
Extra bedding for that pull-out. And then your iron board, yep. And again, we love this because there's so much space and for such a good price.
One other thing that we absolutely love about this hotel specifically is that it's quiet.
It is.
It is quiet. You never hear anything above you. You never hear anything from the halls or the people on the sides.
Yes.
It's very quiet.
And I think it's because of the thick concrete walls that they built this with.
One more thing. The view just this way.
You won't be able to see it.
Just further up this way, Universal Kids.
Yep, not too far, easy to get to, and that's why also we wanted to highlight this incredible hotel Because we love Drury, we love Universal, and these two can combine if you're going on vacation, need a place to stay. That's
right.
not the resort. So
Yep.
let's go check out the rest of the hotel.
All right. If you need to get some fresh air, why not go up to the 9th floor where you can get beautiful views on this deck. And the fitness center has everything you need to help you stay on track with your fitness goals. The guest laundry was easily accessible right next to the fitness center. The pantry is stocked full of sweets, savories, and any kind of toiletries that you may have forgotten.
Be sure to keep watching this vlog as we will show all the food that they provide with your stay here at Drury. There were plenty of luggage carts right as you entered into the lobby to the left, and also a little business center. This really is a beautifully decorated lobby area.
What keeps us coming back to Drury Inn and Suites is definitely the Kickback. At 5:30, you can get a full course meal for the whole family. And all of this is included in your stay. And don't worry, the menu changes every day. Today we were having some pasta with chicken and red sauce, and it was very good. The kids were full, we were full, we were very happy. I don't think we've had a meal here that we didn't like. It's so good.
And when you take in consideration how expensive food has become, this is perfect for the whole family.
If you have picky eaters, they also have hot dogs and nachos.
And if you wanted a lighter and healthier option, they had incredible salad and soup.
Included in the 5:30 Kickback, you can also get 3 adult beverages.
And I absolutely love the soda fountain.
Don't forget to top up on your popcorn before you go. Look at these 3, traveling happy. Breakfast is also included, and it is a continental breakfast and a hot breakfast as well. And they have real good coffee.
This was a really nice touch, and maybe just for Texas, but they provided tortillas. Let's go! If you have any questions about the food and what they provide at Drury, put it down in the comments. We'd be more than happy to try to answer it for you. They also had the mini Drury waffles, which the kids absolutely loved.
Any unregistered guests are welcome to breakfast in the Kickback for a fee. Now let's go check out the indoor pool and hot tub.
One of the things that we love about this hotel is the pool on the 9th floor. Indoor hot tub pool. First one's in this morning. Great way to start the day off. But look how nice this is.
Of course, the kids are always excited to jump right into the pool, but we typically find that the best time to go is first thing in the morning when it's quiet. You usually have the pool all to yourself.
Hey teen, don't give away all of our secrets. Another incredible stay at the Drury Hotels. It genuinely is one of our favorite places to stay. Don't go anywhere. Check out some more of our travel related content in the links. And with Drury, always remember,